Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. This video is a little different than usual. We're going behind the scenes. Meet our team.
Daniel Lutkin. Paint shop preparation. All my life. I've been here for almost 18 years. Greatest achievement would be my son. I like watching F1, I like go-karting and socialising with friends on the PS4. There's two favourite cars. One's an XFR and the other one is a Suzuki Swift GTI. Drew Dobson, because he appears to have no brain, and that is very frustrating. I don't really have a favourite. I like to get on with everybody. I think I'd probably be a truck driver. Favourite part of the job would be to see the car back at its former glory before the damage.